Dark circles under the eyes are a common problem for numerous people. Many people try to eliminate them with different store-bought products, but they are full of chemicals and will only cause side effects. The reasons for the appearance of these bags can be different: stress, working at night, and illness, etc. Here, we are going to present you an amazing natural remedy that will help you eliminate these dark circles, but also lighten any scar. People have tried it and the results are amazing. Watch the video till the end, subscribe to the channel to get more recipes and tips. The remedy is prepared with baking soda. This common product can be found in almost every home. Combine some water and 1 teaspoon of baking soda into a bowl. Stir this well, do not add a lot of water. Put the mixture on the affected area with your fingertips. Use massaging movements, let it rest for 20 minutes. Then, use a lot of water to rinse your face. This is actually a face mask that will help you eliminate the dark bags. Here is another solution that will help you eliminate dark circles and puffiness from your eyes forever. Combine some baking soda with lemon juice. The paste should be thick and light yellow in color. It should be applied under your eyes with circular massaging movements. Let it stay for about 20 minutes. After that, rinse it well using plenty of water. This process should be repeated once a week. You will manage to eliminate baggy eyes and dark circles quickly and effectively. The amazing improvement will appear in only several days. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you want more recipes and tips. Watch our other videos and be healthy for a long time.